Okay, everybody, today, well, first off, welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael D'Agostini, your Greater Philadelphia Realtor. This has to be one of the most sophisticated and cute remodels I've ever seen in the Greater Philadelphia area. We have today a single family home with 4 beds, 2.5 baths, priced just over $400,000 in Feasterville, PA, which is right off of the turnpike, around 20 minutes from Philadelphia, 10 minutes from New Jersey. It's a perfect location. You're also maybe 20 minutes from Chalfont, another 35 from Doylestown. It's a really central location. You know, it's perfect if you just want to get out of the city a little bit. And this home is just you got to see it. I think it's pretty cool. They really did a great job with the remodel. Added a lot of really small details that really make this one stand out, as opposed to your just traditional typical remodel. So if you like videos like this, well, then subscribe and stay tuned, because every week we're coming to you with more. And without further ado, let's check out the house. All right, everybody. So that was the tour. It's got to be like the cutest remodel I've ever seen. This would be the perfect property if you want to downsize or as a starter home. It's got enough room. I mean, obviously, it's not the most spacious property, but I think it's just frankly adorable. Anyway, let me know below in the comments what you think of it, what you would change, what you would do differently. If you want this to make this property yours, reach out to me and my team. I can help you with that. Or if you're looking to buy or sell anywhere in the greater Philadelphia area, don't be a stranger. I'm here as a resource for you to make your real estate dreams come true. Or if you just like seeing home tours like this, and better and bigger and smaller and more convenient and more affordable and luxury and everything in between, then subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned because every single week we're coming to you with more just like this to help you stay on top of what's actually on the market in the greater Philadelphia area. So thank you so much for being here. As always, I'm Michael D'Agostini, your greater Philadelphia realtor, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.